All right, today on Rust and Grease Garage, we're going to change the oil in this 2013 Chevy Cruze. Dealership wanted $100 for it. Today we're going to do it for $40. Let's get into it. All right, first thing we want to do is get the vehicle jacked up so we can get underneath it. We noticed a drop of coolant on the floor. When we turn and look up, I can see where it's dripping from. So I'm going to open up this panel here so we can get a better look. It looks like the radiator is actually leaking coolant. Yeah, I just kind of wiggle on this and you get coolant dribbling out. Well, there you go. You'll need a new radiator. All right. I'm going to save the radiator for another video. For now, let's get back to the oil change. I've got a 17mm socket and the drain pan is right here ready to go. Let me get this loose before we do too much here. Oh, it is loose. Oh, good. All right, with the drain bucket ready, let me get this unplugged. All right, so to help it flow better, we'll just take off the oil cap. All right, so to take off the oil filter, we're going to need a 24mm socket to fit over the cap here. Okay. All right, make sure you got a paper towel ready. Pull this in. All right, so we've got the new oil filter going on. And the way these work, so the new filter has a rubber O-ring. I'm just using a pick to take the old O-ring off. Put the new one on. And then you can just use some of the old oil that's already in here to lubricate the O-ring. And then the new filter has two ends. You can tell this one's got a clip on it. The clip goes inside the lid housing here, and it should snap. There we go. Now we can put this back in the car. And I always start it by hand. All right, I'm going to torque this to tighten it to 25 Newton meters. All right, I'm going to put a new crush washer here. All All right, then we'll tighten this to 14 Newton meters. All right, let me pull out the oil tray and then we'll lower the car back down so we can put fresh oil in. All right, so we're going to put in 4.2 quarts of 5W30 oil. Okay. All right, while we're here, I'm going to go through and check the tire pressure. All right, and I'm going to do that on all 4 tires. All right, thanks for watching today's video. I hope you learned just how easy it is to change your own oil and save yourself plenty of money. We'll see you next time.